As you know, my mission here on the channel is to bring you the best AI on the market, so you can get incredible results while saving as much money as possible. That's getting tougher because the most powerful AI tools are getting more expensive by the day. But today, that changes. For this video, I've found one of the most powerful, fastest, and up-to-date artificial intelligence tools out there. And best of all, instead of locking you into an expensive monthly subscription, it lets you create at your own pace. I hope you enjoy the video. Also, stick around and I'll show you how to get some free runs on this AI. The AI race is getting more expensive every single day. New models, new subscriptions, new credit packs. It feels impossible to keep up without breaking the bank. But what if the smartest creators aren't playing that game? What if they're using a secret platform that gives them an unfair advantage? Imagine for a moment a single place where you could write a sentence and get a professional, photorealistic image in seconds. Now, imagine you could upload any of your photos and just tell the AI what to change. Make this sofa green. Remove the person from the background. Done. What if you could take that a step further and generate an entire consistent storyboard for your next video project from a single idea? And then, what if you could take one of those stunning images and with another simple command, bring it to life as a short, cinematic video clip? This isn't a fantasy about 5 different expensive tools. I'm talking about one unified platform built for speed that gives you all of these creative superpowers. For a long time, access to this kind of accelerated, multimodal workflow has been reserved for big companies and industry insiders. But today, that changes. My name is Malva, and the platform that's going to change your workflow is called WaveSpeedAI. We're going to be focusing on their new flagship model, which is the engine behind all this magic, Seedream 4.0 by ByteDance. It's a truly next-generation model, and I'm always on the lookout for tools like this. In fact, for those of you who want to go even deeper down the rabbit hole, I have a gift. I've set up a bot that will verify if you've watched this entire video, liked, subscribed, and left a positive comment. If you do all of that, it will automatically send you a private PDF with my personal list of the best free AI tools that I have never shown on this channel. But enough talk. Let me show you exactly how this works. Here we are on the WaveSpeedAI dashboard. I'm heading straight to the Seedream 4.0 playground to show you its 4 core functions. First up is standard text-to-image. This is your creative starting point. Perfect for when you have a clear vision in your head and need to bring it to life from scratch. I'll give it a prompt: a photorealistic image of a vintage car driving on a coastal road at sunset. I hit generate, and in just a few seconds, we get this stunning high-fidelity result. The speed is the first thing you notice. Now, here's a useful tip. Don't just say a car. Be specific. Notice how I included the style, photorealistic, the subject, vintage car, the action, driving on a coastal road, and the lighting, at sunset. The more detail you feed the AI, the more stunning your result will be. Next, let's try image-to-image editing. This is where things get really practical. This feature is a game changer for marketers, designers, or anyone who has a photo that's almost perfect but just needs one key change. I'll upload an image of a modern living room. Now I'll give it a simple instruction. Change the sofa to a green velvet sofa. The AI understands the context, isolates the object, and swaps it out, seamlessly integrating the new element. A pro tip for this mode: be direct. Instead of saying, make the room feel cozier, which is subjective, give a concrete command, like change the sofa to green velvet. The AI thrives on clear, objective instructions. But here's where it gets really powerful: text to sequential images. This is a feature that storytellers are going to love. It's designed to create consistent visuals for things like comic books, video storyboards, or social media carousels. I'll prompt it: a series of storyboard images of an astronaut discovering a mysterious, glowing artifact on Mars. And look, it doesn't just create one image, it creates a coherent sequence of shots that tell a mini-story. The key to making this work is using keywords that anchor your character and style. By keeping the core subject, an astronaut, consistent in my mental prompt, the AI maintains the same suit design across all the shots. And finally, we have image to sequential edit. This one is a massive time saver for anyone working with e-commerce or product catalogs. Imagine you have 10 photos of a product on different backgrounds. You could upload all of them and give the single command, change the product color to navy blue, and it would apply that same consistent change across every single image, instantly. The tip here is all about preparation. The more consistent your source images are in terms of lighting and framing, the more flawless the final batch edit will be. And the ecosystem doesn't stop there. WaveSpeedAI also has tools like Seed Edit, which lets you do things like remove a background with a single click. The whole platform is built for a professional workflow. But WaveSpeedAI is much more than just static images. Its true power is in its multimodal ecosystem. And that means we also need to talk about video. This is where another one of their top-tier models, Seedream, comes in. It's an incredibly powerful image-to-video tool. I'm going to take that professional quality image of the cat we just created, upload it to Seedream, and give it a simple motion command. Subtle breathing, slow tail flick, eyes blinking slowly. We hit generate, and in a few seconds, our pro-level photo has become a living, cinematic video clip. This ability to create and then animate your assets all within the same platform is what makes WaveSpeedAI a true game changer. Okay, so what does all this power and speed cost? After comparing it to other platforms offering similar high-end models, its price point is extremely competitive. You're getting exceptionally high quality for a very low cost per generation. But what I really appreciate is their user-friendly approach. Unlike many other services that force you into expensive monthly plans, WaveSpeedAI lets you top up your account with a custom amount of money. So you can get a lot of creative work done for a very small price. So who is this really for? The use cases are massive. Content creators can build entire visual stories. Marketing teams can generate endless variations for ad campaigns. Educators can create custom visual aids. If you're building a portfolio, a website, or a client proposal, you can generate all the visual assets you need in minutes, not days. So, to be fully transparent, what are the pros and limits? The pros are obvious: the incredible speed, the high fidelity of the prompts, and the rich ecosystem of tools all in one place. The main limit, as with any AI, is that the quality of the output is directly tied to the quality of your prompt. It's a powerful tool, but your creativity is still the most important ingredient. This is a tool I'll be using a lot in my own workflow, and I was excited to share it with you. If you want to try it out, you can register using my link, and you'll instantly receive $1 in free credits to get you started. You can find the direct link in the very first line of the description and in the pinned comment. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you're planning to create with it. Thanks for watching.